I want to thank y'all for tapping in today and congratulating me. I am married. I'm married. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I'm Shonda. I inspire nations to grow. So if you haven't done it already, I want you to go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell notification so that we can stay connected. And I so love you today. Well, listen, I am so excited to share with you guys that I'm recently married, and it's just the best thing that has happened thus far. I'm really married to the man of my dreams. He gets me and accepts me 100% for who I am, flaws and all. And actually, the flaws that I have, he finds delight, and he's attracted to those, which is actually great. And, I met him in the most ironic way. The universe, God, pulled him into my whole experience to live out my dreams with me. He endorses everything that I do, and he loves my ideals. And actually, I love his ideals as well. And we support each other. But the most important thing that I love about this man is he's so secure in who he is as a man. He is so secure in that. Actually, so secure that he really brings more security into my situation. So I'm so excited. I'm happy to be married. I'm excited to share my life with my person. And I want to encourage every one of you to do the same. I want to encourage you as you wait to know that your person is already with you. Your person is here to help you move your life to the next level, and you're to help him move his life to the next level. And one of the main things I love about my person is that he's just solid, 100% solid in himself as a man, and he actually makes my life better. He makes it better. He enhances what I'm already doing. And the crazy thing is, I do the same for him. And I'm just so giddy about it. I'm so excited about it. And I just can't wait to share the rest of my life with this man, because he is absolutely 100% delicious, fantastic, and all of the great stuff. Oh. And the one thing that I really love about him too is that he allows me to experience freedom in the relationship. And I do the same for him. We allow each other the freedom to be who we are designed to be. Now, I know y'all thought that I really got married, right? Did that sound good? Good, because that is exactly what I want you to do when it comes to attracting your husband, your wife, your specific person into your experience. Am I physically married yet? No, but you didn't know that I wasn't. And the most important part is the universe doesn't either. Whatever we intend and whatever we impress upon our consciousness before long will manifest. We have to learn to trust the process, to be excited about what we're doing, to go on and mind our business and keep our hand out of the middle. So as you heard me affirm my husband that's en route to me, I don't know who he is and I really don't care. But I can assure you some of the things that I said, that I shared with you, will be a part of who he is. It's some stuff that I kept private for myself because it's none of y'all's business. But I wanted you to know that I'm already married, and so are you. And until the next video, guys, peace. Bye now.